Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Smart and I'm your teacher, and I'll be teaching a different question and answer in this question and answer series by Class Theta. So today's question which we'll be discussing is Clary is setting up a massage business. She hasn't set up her business bank account yet, but she needs to record business expense paid personally as a contribution to the business. Her accountant wants to know where she spends the money. How can she record the transaction? We have some options here. By creating a journal entry that credit the expenses account and debit the owner contribution. By using a $0 expense, entering the vendor name in the pay field, enter the amount in the expense account as a positive and owner's contribution as a negative. By using a $0 expense, entering the vendor name in the pay field, entering the amount in the expense account as negative and owner contribution as a positive. And by using a $0 receipt, entering the vendor's name in customer field, enter the amount in expense as positive and owner contribution as a negative. So the correct option is by using a $0 expense, entering the vendor name in the payee field, enter the amount of expense as negative and owner contribution as a positive. When Clary pays for the business expense personally and wants to record them contribution to the business, she can use a $0 expense transaction in QuickBooks. These steps are as follow. Create a new expense transaction, enter the vendor name in the payee field as to indicate where she spent the money, and enter the amount in the expense account as a negative value since it is outgoing the expense, and enter the same amount as a positive value in the owner contribution amount to represent the personal contribution to the business. This way the expense is recorded in appropriate expense account, and the contribution from the owner is also captured correctly in the owner's contribution account, allowing her accountant to track the funds accurately. So that's the answer. If you have any other question, just leave a comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next question, bye.